from that time, may mga assigned na leaders katulad ng Bergen County, si Romy Abinuha ang in charge doon. But dito noon ay under kay Adon Equipado. So we requested the door not to participate so much now kasi kinausap nga namin si June na kung maaari pangasiwahan niya ang Hudson County. And ang gagawin natin ay county to county muna para magkaroon tayo ng skeleton ang Filipino Republican Group. Actually, I committed you already, June, to the Christie Group at saka C4. In fact, during the Philippine Heritage, I was given the privilege of going with Christie and some of his candidates. So, Donovan is very close to us. He was the registrar ng Hudson, ng Bergen County. So, I already committed the group. And because of that, we have planned to open up this state level where sa Union, Gani Pertuliano is now converted to being a Republican by Paul Versosa. So, ang ginagawa ni Paul, kino-convert niya itong mga Democrat to the Republican group.
Yeah, I converted a lot there.
Yeah, he was able to change their political affiliation. So that's what we are planning to do. Actually here, I thought all the while that Vita Pina and her husband will be coming today because they are Republican. And Mario is also Republican. So they promised to come, but they were not around today. Mario.
Flores.
They are Republican. Yeah. And besides that, some of these people that we invited, they went to PIDCI because of the acceptance of all those organizations. So our plans, to answer Paul, is that we will try to reorganize the Filipino Republican so that this year, it's about time because may election. So I even requested them to help Paul, the Republican group under Frank Luna, will be helping the candidacy of Paul. This is our trial. How this Republican group in New Jersey will help a Filipino. So after they help him, then we will try to reorganize this. So I requested Paul June to act as a coordinator for Hudson, and Romy Abinuha for Bergen, and I think Raleigh will be Essex County because we do not have in the Essex County yet. Kaloy is very busy in different organizations, though he's a Republican. So, if we can tap these coordinators, then it's up to you to make your meetings and then have those Filipino Republicans to help us. And in the state, I even requested Martha because Martha is very good in communications. And since she is the secretary and general treasurer of our association, I even requested her to be the general secretary for the Republican group in New Jersey. And it's nice that he didn't say yes, he didn't say no, but I feel that means yes, right? So very soon we will be having another meeting, and this meeting will be for the Republican group. And to top of that, Gigi promised to join be active. You know, she's been knocking every door during Ador Equipado's candidacy.
And Brent Chandler.
And Brent Chandler. So I hope that she will be active this time with us.
She's also my advisor.
Oh, thank you. And besides, also my wife is a Republican.
Wow.
She's a Republican. So
you can never be a Democrat.
My feeling is this time, within this month, we should have at least next meeting for the whole Republican group, including your group.
Next
Next
week na lang.
Well, next-
Next week na lang.
So,
Yeah,
malapit
next
na eh.
week. The reason is we want the Christie group. We want the Christie group know that there is a Republican group indeed. And by the way, we will be making already those letterhead
Yeah.
because we have been authorized by California group, the national group, to have our own letterhead. We can. Okay?
Question?
Yes.
I just want to add something. Nita Gonzalez is a nurse
Yes.
in Jersey City,
Mhm.
and she called me yesterday about this Christie campaign.
Mhm.
So I told her to come here tonight, that there is a meeting.
Mhm.
So what we're going to do is communicate with her, and she, where she at in this campaign.
So where is she now?
And also next week, Christie will be here in Jersey City. That's September 17.
Okay.
The Jersey City Rotary Club. He will be the guest speaker at the casino in the park. So anybody who would like to come, it's a $20 entrance for the luncheon meeting. So Christie will be there. He will be the guest speaker. And if anybody would like to come,
Oh, pupunta tayo, committee.
yeah,
Yeah,
you can
committee will come.
you can coordinate with me or Reverend Soriano, because they want the list of the people who would like
I
to.
need the guest list of the new group to be in my car so I can send it copy to them.
That's good.
And also, I'm talking to the group, the Jersey City Phil-Am Chamber of Commerce, if they would like to invite Christie also in our meeting, the next membership meeting for September 24. So I should be able to know sometime this week if we can invite
September
Christie.
24, where is the venue?
Venue would be the Jersey City Diner, 7 o'clock in the evening. So it's free dinner meeting, no cost, but it's by invitation only.
Donation.
But everybody's invited here.
Yeah.
in
Number 5 bucks to doon. Members din natin to be invited.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Pwede rin.
I would like to make
Pwede
addition
yun.
to the Republican
Pang-book ng
side.
ng elepante.
I
Oh.
want